Okay, this time let's proceed to part 3. This is on how to download and set up Django project development environment in Visual Studio Code. But before we go on, let's be reminded of the prerequisites. Okay, the prerequisites, those are the things that we need to have before setting up the Django in our Visual Studio Code. Okay. So we all know that Django is a high-level Python framework for rapid, secure, and scalable web development. It means that the Django supports and helps us to have or to create or develop web, and we can easily improve our web using the Django. Okay, the first thing that we need to have, of course, is that to install the Python extension as we already done in our previous lesson, in our previous video. And the second is that we need to have and install Python version 3.10.0 or the latest version, the better. And the last one is that we need to have the Python point or .exe path for setting up the path environment variable. So for review, I would like to introduce again on how to have the Python.exe path. So all you have to do is to go to the system and then go to the advanced system settings and then environment variable under the advanced tab. And then you find the path under the system variables and then click edit. And then as you can see, you have there the local C Python. Okay, amo naging tudlo ko ng ligad nga nag-ubra kita isang folder nga Python sa aton nga local C para dira i-install ang Python. So amo ni sa ang path sa aton nga python.exe or ang aton nga executable Python. So naka-create kita sang Python executable kaya nag-install kita sang Python sa aton nga local C. Pag-specify natin sa folder nga Python. Okay, that's it. So after having these 3 prerequisites, so this is the time for us to download and set up the Django project development environment in our Visual Studio Code. So all we have to do is to create a virtual environment. So how do we do that? So first step is that we are going to create a folder. Okay, so like example, we can write or we can name our folder project underscore Django and we have to open it inside the Visual Studio Code. So what I did is that I created a folder Python project under the local disk D. So tanan nga project natin sa Python diri masulod sa amo nga folder. Okay, after creating the Python project folder in our local disk D, so we will open it in our Visual Studio Code. Diri natin i-open. So, kadto lang kita diri sa Explorer. And then, your folder will be listed here. So, in my case, I have Python project. So, once the folder is open, let's proceed to the next step. Okay, na-open na natin. So, the next step is the run. Okay, run this command. Anong command? So, i-run natin yung command by opening the terminal tab. So, ang terminal tab sa Visual Studio Code is the is the console or the command prompt. Okay. na makita natin sa Visual Studio Code. Okay, go to the terminal, then click New Terminal. Yan ang makita natin is that i-clear ko na lang. So, muna natin na terminal or the command prompt inside the Visual Studio Code. And then, i-type po na ton ang inyong command para maka-create kita sang virtual environment. Okay? So we are done creating the Python virtual environment. Then we will open the command palette under the view tab. And then you are going to find the Python select interpreter. But if you cannot see this when you open the command palette, so all you have to do is to write here Python select interpreter. Okay, para magawa siya. Then i-click lang din natin. Then you can see here Python 3.10. Ang install natin ng Python. Tapos i-click lang din natin para maka-create ito sa virtual environment sa Python. Okay? Then we are going to have another one. Okay. So step number 3 is next is the step 4. So open the Visual Studio Code terminal and run the following command. Okay. To upgrade the PIP. The PIP, it is all about the packages of the Python. So it means na i-upgrade natin ang Python. Ang tanan ng packages, i-install natin. Okay. So, all you have to do is to write this one. Tapos, i-type po natin dito sa ating terminal para ma-upgrade natin ang Python PIP, ang mga packages ng Python. So, muna yung mabulig sa atin para makakreate dito sa web. Okay? So, once the Python has been installed, kaya ako na-install ko na-upgrade na siya. Okay? So, i-kuha lang na natin, i-upgrade by typing python -mpip install upgrade PIP. And then next is that now run the following command to install the Django in the virtual environment. So, i-type po naman natin So, type po naman natin kag-enter para ma-install natin ang Django. So, na-install ko na ni. So, ang tsura is ang pag-install niya sa PIP, sa mga packages sa Python. And then, ang the last is aton nga Python PIP install Django. So, mag-install na kita sa Django. So, take note class, before you do this, you make sure that you are connected on the internet. Okay, kay ma-install ka mo sa Django halin sa internet. So, the Django, as I already mentioned, this is an open source. So, wala bayad. So, basta may internet lang mo, makadownload na ka na sa Django. Okay, that's all, and thank you.